Do you feel like quitting? Man, do I know what that feels like. When I first found out I had 4 brain tumors and 4 spinal tumors, I was dumbfounded. They said I had neurofibromatosis too. I had no clue how much my life was about to change. You may be going through something too. It may not be medical. It could be personal. The personal struggles are so unbelievably painful that you just feel like things are never going to get better. I spent 6 years in complete and total silence, 100% deaf. Sometimes the struggle takes a while. Maybe you feel like it's never going to end. I'm not going to sit here and lie to you and say everything's going to be all butterflies and rainbows one day. I'm still 100% deaf. What I will say is that somehow, sometime, this mountain you were climbing, it's going to get easier to climb. I know you're probably asking, how's it going to get better? The circumstances may not change, but you're going to develop ways to keep going. Do not hesitate to ask for help. I cried out so many times to God, and I said, why me, Lord? What did I do to deserve this? The answer isn't always clear, but one thing I've learned is that He's always helped me through the struggle, and I am who I am because of the journey that I had to walk through. There is a reason for the struggle. I had to go through this pain because I'm an encourager. And how in the world am I going to help people when I don't even know what the pain feels like? You see, at some point down there, you start to recognize this understanding. You begin to know that you have gone through more than a lot of other people, and you're able to handle the really hard stuff. You have a gift, my friend. You are a warrior. Warriors persist and don't quit. You are not a quitter. You are a warrior, my friend. Yeah, I just said friend. You would be surprised how many people actually care about you and want to help you through this mountain that you're trying to climb. Don't give up now. You are now capable of winning against the pain that you're feeling. You're able to persist in your purpose. Yes, you are here for a reason. It might take you some healing to understand that simple concept, but you, my friend, are definitely here for a reason. You are stronger than you know and capable of so much more than quitting. I have some ideas to help you through this quicksand that you feel like you're in. I'm sharing this not because somehow I'm smarter than you. I've just been through some really incredible amount of pain. It would blow your mind. First, take a deep breath. I had to do that when I ran out of tears. I knew I had to just breathe. Just take a minute to give yourself the gift of quiet. Quiet your mind from the chaos that is around you. Know that you are now in a place that you have never been and are capable of so much more than you ever knew. Second, go find someone. Anyone that does not contribute to the pain that you're in, and just ask for some help. I chose God. He's helped me so much, from bringing interpreters into my life when I didn't even know anyone deaf, to learning sign language, even though I did it kicking and screaming. No, I did not want to learn sign language. I wanted to have my hearing back. Technology improved enough for me to use my cell phone for captions. And then the Lord blessed me with this cochlear implant. Without this, I'm still 100% deaf. I would not appreciate this thing as much had I not gone through that struggle with no hearing for 6 years. Going through the pain of losing my hearing to complete silence was just extremely hard. I have another gift now. It's called immense gratitude. That leads me to my third suggestion. Take a minute to recognize the gifts that you currently have. I remind myself daily how blessed I am to not be in a wheelchair. I have 5 spinal tumors now. The biggest one is in my neck, and very easily it could put me in a wheelchair. What are you grateful for? Just start with 3 things. Find 3 things that you're grateful for and tell yourself, I am grateful. Living with gratitude is the key to overcoming the sadness that you're dealing with. You see, my first husband left me pregnant with a 1-year-old to raise. It was painful. But now, all my kids are healthy, and I'm remarried for 20 years now. I am grateful. I lost my mom to cancer a few years ago. She had it 3 times, and she was really young. But she's not suffering anymore. I am grateful. We lost our family home when I was a teenager. But now I have my own home, and I've had it for over 21 years. I am grateful. I could keep sharing you all the personal financial struggles that I've dealt with. Sometimes it's been so much that I feel like I have a master's in adversity. But I am grateful. Those 4 words can change so much for you. Make a decision today that this pain that you're dealing with is not going to beat you. Win the war with gratitude. You are stronger than you know. Ask me how I know.